Have you been complaining rice water damaging your hair, or your hair is low porosity? Whenever you use rice water, you feel like your hair is protein overload. Complain no more. On today's video, I will show you the perfect way to use this rice water to grow your hair, to solve your hair problems, to thicken up that your hair, regrow your hair in crown section, stop hair loss, hair fall, hair breakage. Whether your hair is low porosity, high porosity, medium porosity, or any type of hair you have, this method will work perfectly well on you. It will help you a lot to solve your hair problem. No more complaining, no more hair fall, hair breakage, or rice water damaging your hair. So if the video sound like what are interesting, keep on watching. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. This is the type of rice I'll be making use of. Use any type of rice you have available at home, and the measurement is 1 cup of rice I'm using. So the first thing to do is to rinse out the preservative, the dirty and the impurities in this rice before we start the process. So this part is very necessary. Rinse the rice, okay, to remove the dirty in the rice. So I'm just rubbing my hand on it to make sure that the dirty or the preservative they use on this rice come out. After then, I went off camera to throw away the water. So next thing, I bring my jar to transfer the rice into my jar container. After that, I bring another water to pour in water into the jar container so that I will cover up this rice. I will keep it aside to ferment for overnight, but if you don't have that time to ferment this for overnight, you can as well do boiling method, okay? So the next day, this is what I have so far. The rice has swelling up, and we're going to move to the next thing, the most important part of this recipe, okay? So I'll bring my blender and pour in this rice water and the rice together inside the blender to blend it. The necessary of this is to get all the nutrients of this rice into the rice water. So if you don't have blender to do this process, use your hand to rub it like 5 to 7 minutes, and you also get this milk color. But if you want it to be very faster, just use your blender to blend it roughly, okay? After blending it, you get all the nutrients of rice into this rice water, making this rice water very potent. Guys, this part is very necessary, okay? So after then, I squeeze out this rice water out. Just how make color this rice water is coloring. This rice water now is very potent, but there's one thing to add in this rice water to make it more effectively, more powerful, more potent, and to help you to solve those problems like hair fall, hair loss, hair breakage, is to add it onion. Adding onion together with this rice water, guys, this is a game changer. This rice water will grow your hair like crazy. When I mean like crazy, that's no joke. Combination of these two ingredients, they are really a game changer for you. So just keep on watching. You will learn a lot in this video. I will show you the perfect way to use this recipe to get a good result, to avoid protein overload or drying out your hair or breaking off your hair or damaging your hair. Just be patient and watch this video to the end to get all the instruction you need to get in this video. After peeling the onion, I went off camera to wash it. After washing it, I'm dicing it into a small sizable. I transfer it into my blender again and add rice water, a little rice water to blend it. Yes, instead of adding plain water, and I have rice water at hand, there's no need of me adding plain water on this. I just add a little rice water to blend this onion, okay, so that I can get the onion juice. But if your blender can blend it without adding water on it, just go ahead and do that. But my blender cannot blend this smoothly without adding water on it, okay? So after blending it, my onion juice is ready. So I just transfer it into my sheaf cloth to squeeze out the onion juice. Use something that have very tiny hole so that onion particles or residues will not stuck on your hair or will not come in contact on this onion juice, because once the onion particles come in contact with onion juice, it will definitely stuck on your hair and is not a good idea. Okay, this is the amount of onion juice I got so far. So this is my rice water. I'm using my spoon to turn it around so that it will mix up properly before we move to the next thing. After then, I bring my jar container and I will transfer in the rice water into my jar container. After putting the rice water, next thing is to transfer the onion juice into the jar containing my rice water. And next thing now is to bring my spoon to turn it around. Make sure that this recipe combine properly together. Guys, this recipe is a game changer. You have not ended there. There's more thing to do, okay, before we can apply it on our hair. So next thing now is to bring my spray bottle to transfer the one I want to use now, and the remaining one in the jar container, I will cover it up and keep it in my fridge, okay, so that it will be there until any time I want to use it again. To take this recipe to the next level is to add it 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin will help your hair not to dry. It will help this recipe not to dry your hair or break off your hair, because when your hair is dry, it's lead to hair breakage and then it will lead to hair damage. So adding it glycerin is a whole of game change for you. So do not skip this part. Add it 1 tablespoon of glycerin. I just add the 1 tablespoon of glycerin for this particular one I'm applying on my hair now. So when I will use other ones, I'll still add them glycerin. Is a whole of game changer. Honestly, try it and you'll see a great change in using rice water on your hair. So I'll show you how to prepare these things to add on it to make it be a game changer for you. So now I will show you how to use it. Another thing that make rice water to break your hair, dry your hair or damage your hair is the way you use rice water. So there is an important step you need to follow whenever you are using rice water on your hair to avoid that dryness, breakage, damaging your hair. So I will show you how to use this rice water and get the most effective results and grow your hair like crazy, solve your hair problems. Guys, rice water is very good in our hair if you use it in a right way, and that right way is what I'm sharing with you in today's video. Okay, there are different ways to use this rice water to grow your hair, or there are different ways to use this rice water and onion juice to grow your hair. One of that way is to use it as a pre-poo. Pre-poo is a product you apply on your hair first, detangle your hair and go ahead and shampoo your hair. Continue with your wash day routine. Second way to use this rice water is to use it as your thin rinse. Thin rinse is after shampooing your hair. Apply this rice water and onion juice or only rice water on your hair. After then, massage your scalp. After massaging your scalp, cover up your hair, okay? Allow it to sit on your hair for 30 minutes or 1 hour. After 1 hour, rinse it out and deep condition your hair. This is where the problem comes from. You will not use rice water without deep condition your hair. Whether you are using it as a pre-poo or you are using it as a thin rinse, make sure that after using it, deep condition your hair. I did not say that you should use rinse out conditioner. There is difference between rinse out conditioner and deep conditioner. So use that one they said deep condition. They write deep condition on it. Use it and deep condition your hair after using this rice water. Believe me, if you can pay close attention and do what I told you to do, rice water will never ever break your hair again or leave your hair dryness. Rice water contains protein, and if you just use it without you following up deep condition your hair, it will dry your hair, honestly. So it's very important to deep condition your hair whenever you are using rice water, whether as a pre-poo or as a thin rinse. But in these two ways, I will tell you, if you want this recipe to work faster for you, maybe you are battling with hair fall, hair loss, hair breakage, or you want to regrow your hair, or you want that faster hair growth with this recipe, use it as a final tea rinse. Use it as a tea rinse, I mean to say. Okay, so why do I recommend thin rinse work more better than pre-poo? Because you have already shampoo your hair and you are not washing it out again with a shampoo, because when you use shampoo directly, shampoo will still strip out the nutrients of this product on your hair. But when you shampoo your hair first, apply it just to rinse it out and deep condition your hair, the nutrients of this product, they are still intact on your hair, and you to have more time to do more great work on your hair. I hope you're understanding me. So using it as a thin rinse will give you more better result than using it as a pre-poo. Okay, but whether pre-poo or thin rinse, please do not skip deep condition your hair. And after deep condition your hair, please moisturize your hair immediately you come out of the shower. Use your moisturizer, your hair butter, your oil, or your leave-in condition. Moisturize your hair properly, and believe me, rice water will be your favorite remedy that will help to grow your hair like never before. Rice water have helped me a lot in my hair growth, guys. There's no joke. If you use rice water in a right way, believe me, you will love using rice water, because it will help a lot, both strengthen your hair, promoting hair growth, stop that hair fall, soften your hair. If your hair is coarse, it wants that softness, rice water will give it to you and give you that natural shine of your hair. Okay, use it in a right way and you thank me later. How many times can you use this rice water or this particular recipe to grow your hair? Use it every of your wash day routine. If you normally wash your hair once in a week, use it. Or you wash your hair once in 2 weeks, use it. Any of your wash day routine, use it, and you'll see a game changer. In 3 months time, you see how strengthened, how thicker your hair will become with this recipe. This recipe, there's no joke. And remember, I mixed it with onion. These two combination is a whole of game changer. Honestly, it will help a lot. I'm talking about the onion smell or rice water smell. Fermenting this rice water overnight did not smell any bad. I did not perceive any horrible rice water smelling, because I ferment it towards in the evening time and keep it to the next day. Okay, I did not smell any, the rice water did not smell any horrible, and the onion juice also did not smell any horrible, because combine them together plus the glycerin, you will not even perceive any bad smell with this recipe. So if you are wondering of the smell, you will not perceive any bad smell with this recipe. Believe me when I said it, if you prepare it exactly the same way I prepare mine, you will get the most powerful, effective result with this recipe. The one that I put in the fridge can be there as long as 2 months, 1 month, until when I'll finish it up. Okay, but while preparing yours, do not prepare too much large of it, so they can always prepare any fresh one. Okay, because I believe the longer it stays in the fridge, the less potency it become. Okay, because of the onion juice on it. Okay, so just be always preparing little batch of it. I don't want you can use like 2 to 3 times, and you will finish it up and make a fresh one. I hope you're understanding me. I hope this video is very helpful to you. I hope you have learned the perfect way to use rice water to avoid hair damage, hair breakage, or hair fall with rice water, and to use it to grow your hair thicker, longer, fuller, to regrow your hair in any area you want to regrow. So if you have not joined this beautiful family up to this point, please do well to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscribe button below. And once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this. Welcome to the family. And if you have not liked this video up to this point and you find this video helpful, please help me to click on that like button. It really encourages me a lot, and also it helps the growth of this family. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends, okay, so that they'll get the good news on today's video, the perfect way to use rice water to grow their hair, to solve their hair problems. I have come to end of today's video. If there's anything I did not cover up, please let me know in comment section below. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.